Gracious diversity. I am immensely grateful for the body that I have. It is what allows me to travel through all I may encounter and interact with during the spectacular, exciting journey I have been granted to experience on this precious planet, this magnificent, bountiful, beautiful planet, Earth. Filled with her infinite variation of magically diversified forms of life, all relating to one another, interacting with each other in their very own special, unique, mystical, life-supporting form of divine purpose manifest. I am so tremendously happy to express how very grateful I am to be living on planet Earth in this inspirational era of awakening, a time where human beings all over the world are now beginning to open our eyes, open our hearts, open our minds, our understanding, and our gratitude, collectively and individually, so we may see, feel, touch, honor, enjoy, live, and preserve this precious, sacred sanctuary of endless wonders, of infinite abundance that nature grants us for free, just for free. I see, recognize, acknowledge, appreciate, and treasure how Mother Nature breathes so we can breathe, how she washes, splashes, and sprinkles in absolute awe just so we may drink, how she lavishly flows the pure creative flow of life through every single living being just so we may live, how generously, unconditionally she grants us all we may ever need to live and celebrate her gracious diversity, our gracious diversity, life's gracious diversity. Now that I can see with my heart, I can safely, quietly close my eyes to feel how my mind and body tune in to understanding, to the gratitude for life's gracious gifts of diversity. This feels so good to fully and consciously experience pure source flowing through me, into me, from me, and all around me in all her infinite gracious diversity. This feels so good. This pure breath, the pure breath of life, I radiate. This feels so good that I now make sure to stop several times throughout my day to take it in, to feel and honor, to grow and glow with the pure breath of our gracious living diversity that makes up the myriad of all different living cells thriving in my body, so I may live my life to the fullest, in continuously improving expansion. And I give thanks to life's gracious diversity by letting go right here, right now. To free myself completely from the past, from old rigid thoughts, from stifling concepts, examples, and indoctrinations that may have been clouding my vision, blocking me from seeing and experiencing the great diversified abundance of life manifest. I let go of all that may have obstructed me from understanding who I am, who we are. I am now flowing freely through life, like the vibrantly healthy blood flowing through my veins. I honor my body and take very good care of it. I feed myself nutritionally and intellectually only that which may improve my body, my mind, spirit, and soul, consciously choosing to be that which may contribute and continue to improve human interaction in all our diversified ways, all over our planet. I realize that though animals may be territorial and eat each other alive to survive, there is no need whatsoever for people to ever hurt, reduce, mistreat, diminish, discriminate, or cast each other out in any way for any reason. For there is more than enough space, food, love, time, and infinite abundance of everything readily available for us all to live and love together as one in peaceful, generous diversity. Even though not everyone knows this yet, I sure do. Oh yes, I do. And I consciously choose to grow in this awareness. My grateful energy of awareness manifests through my grateful intentions. It adds all that is good to the equation of human understanding, as my intentions, thoughts, words, and actions naturally inspire others to also accept the abundance of our generous diversity as our living truth. I now know that by letting go of fear and lack, letting go of the fear of lack, I immediately become part of and fully aware of the infinite abundance that flows through me. Like every breath of oxygen I may take freely, without ever having to wonder where the next breath may be coming from. Because it is already here, passing through me, entering through my nose, flowing lavishly into my lungs, through my blood, replenishing my entire body, nurturing my mind. My mind, which, once filled by the pure breath of life, allows me to think for myself, intend for myself, and act for myself, rather than ever having to follow the herd. I now foster great intentions and take positive action, rather than having to mimic any other behavior that might be limiting or less than representative of the abundance that I am. I am now a living example of the generosity that flows freely, infinitely, from life's gracious diversity, and my intentions are fully in tune with what may inspire us all to stop for a moment, to be thankful, embrace human diversity, and act in accordance with our gratitude for life's diversity in all her magnificent shapes, forms, and generous manifestations.